Starter Deck 14. So in the box here it says it's a 50 deck card, or it's a 50 card deck, 1 leader card, 10 Dawn cards, and a play sheet. So it's not like the newer ones where it comes with already like a, what's it called? Booster pack with it. So it just comes with the cards on the leader. It's a lot of cards. We got the Monkey D. Luffy ST14 starter deck card. It looks really good, I'm not gonna lie. There's a little bit of texturing on it. That's pretty good. I'm gonna sleeve this up. We got our copies of Sanji here, SR. The 2 copies of Nami. I've never seen this deck in person, so this is kind of all new to me. Got 1, 2, 3, 4 copies of Usopp. If you want to read what the card does. Jinbei, 1, 2, 3, 4 copies of that. I'll just put a little closer for you guys to read. That's the Nami, and this is the Sanji. Honestly, they all look great. Like the cards, they look great. I like the art and the design, the Chopper. This is so cute. 1, 2, 3, 4 copies of Chopper. Oh, Nico Robin. Here, get a little closer. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 copies of Nico Robin. Haradas, or Haradas. This is my first time seeing this card. Interesting. 4 copies of him. Frankie. 1, 2, 3, 4 copies of Frankie. We also have Brooke here, Vanilla 1K, 8 cost, 7, or sorry, no, 8 cost, what am I saying? 5 cost, 7,000 power. You can tell I'm a noob. Jesus. Heracles, 4 of those. And Monkey D. Luffy, while he's training with Rayleigh. That's sick. Cool. How many is that? We have 2. 2 of those. Roronoa Zoro. How many of those do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4 copies of that. It's a really cool artwork for Zoro. Oh wait, what's that in the background? Oh, this card is him in Mihawk's castle. There's like a little the monkeys that he fights there in the background. That's cool. That's some cool little design. I didn't notice that. Then we got Gum Gum Giant Rifle. 2 of those. Oh, that's a long sentence. Gum Gum Diablo 3 sword style mountain jet 600-pound Phoenix cannon. And we have 2 of those. I have my crew, of course, 2 of those. 1,000 Sunny, 2 of those. And then we get our 10 Dawn cards. Honestly, not too bad. I think I will probably use most of these cards in the deck for other decks, just because they're good, have good synergy, or they're just useful. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like, favorite, and subscribe. And yeah, guys, that's been everything. Have a good one.